Hello guys and welcome back in a new video. So probably this video will be up around Christmas, so Merry Christmas to everyone and enjoy the Happy New Year. I'm not sure if I will release another video after this one for this year. And how you can see here, we are here because I did this 2 trophy from Hearthstone. This model was created by me and Ricardo, my business partner and mate. Ricardo worked on the organic shape, like usually in all the projects that we do together, and I work on the more solid and geometrical shape, that is the top part and the base. We use Rhino, I use Rhino, and he used ZBrush for the organic part. Then I imported the organic part in Rhino and I create some little slot or pin to be able to put together all the parts. We was focused on make this trophy to be not painted, so we split in 3 parts, so you can print the top, the base and the center part. We use metal fill from Futura. You know, I have a 15% discount in the description, and the channel will receive a little kickback if you use the code. And we use always from Futura for the blue parts in the middle. We print all the parts in a Ultimaker 2 Plus. And unfortunately I lost all the footage, but I did it again with a small version of the trophy in a Ultimaker Go, but all this part was printed at Ultimaker 2 Plus. Suggestion: when you use this kind of filaments, in particular the metal fill, after you print, let cool down the build plate and put in the fridge or freezer for like I think it's like around 5-10 minutes. And that will allow you to remove really well the printer parts from the build plate without damaging anything, because I noticed this kind of material sticks really well on the build plate and can be a bit tricky remove it. So I would really suggest you just to put 5-10 minutes on the freezer, and after that it will come out with no problem. If you want to give a go at this project, of course, like all the models I create are on my Patreon, so just go there and download it. And by the way, big thanks to everyone that are supporting me right now on Patreon. We are almost reaching, I think, $500, something like that. I think we are 450, something like that. Big thanks, it's been an incredible year for me, and particularly for Patreon is for sure helping a lot with all this project and going on with more 3D printing stuff. So after we print all the parts, we post-process them, and we use 320 grit for starting to send all the parts printed with metal fill, and then we went down to 80 degree. After I've sent all the parts, we use a brush, a metal brush, to bring out the metal particle inside the filaments. At the same time we use some brasso, just go on top of everything, so you clean the surface and at the same time give a nice finishing. And then we go again with the brush, the metal brush, because we notice it brings really out the shiny of the metal particle inside the filament. And pretty much then, if you want, you can of course glue together all the parts. You can choose with super glue or other methods, and it's done. I think this is pretty cool, in particular if you are a fan of Hearthstone. This is pretty much the same trophy they use for the World Championship. We didn't add the little ornaments down here on the base, because it was tricky. We found one of them, we didn't find the other one, so we just prefer to leave it like this, like quite clean. But I think this come out really particular and cool design. At the same time I really enjoy printing stuff with metal fill, because you know, it doesn't seem you can send down the layer, it seems like a finished object instead of like see the layer. So for this project is everything, guys. I hope you have really an amazing Christmas and a Happy New Year, and we see you at the next year with a lot of other projects and stuff. And if you have any suggestion of what you would like to see in the 2017 in this channel, just let down in the comments, and see you at the next one. And remember, raise your eyebrow.